Hey everybody, just want you to see what I see. This is Erie, Pennsylvania. It is literally crazy out here. These people, when they get stuck, look at this. Look at that. They was bound and determined to get out of there. Look at this. Erie, Pennsylvania. Look at that. Can you believe this? The guy was nuts. Anybody that do that can't understand. It is crazy here. Like cars like that one everywhere. Plow trucks are hitting them. Look at this. People can't even barely get around that. But that's what you have. You have them people. They just don't understand. They don't care. And then you got the snow dozer. This baby's been getting everywhere we need to get her. It's trying to get some of these driveways cleared out. I've been clearing road after road just to do a driveway. Absolutely ridiculous. This makes no sense. Cannot understand. This ain't the first one. Isn't the first one. That is crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how many lug nuts they had on that. There's only 3 on there anyway. I wonder if there's any inspection or insurance on that car. Holy cow, that truck. I'm sure it's not. Let's see. I'm just curious. Because I wouldn't drive something like that anywhere. 12 of 24. Oh, what's it say? Went to go get a different tire. Crazy. Erie PA. Arctic blast, 3rd day in a row. We got over 40 inches, is what I'm told. 36 or more. Everybody's losing their mind around here. Okay, back onto the list. I gotta get back onto my list, make sure my people know that I'm on my way. I gotta put the phone another way or my brother will be mad. It's gotta go like this a little bit. You hate seeing that arm. Till next time, Erie PA, the pro you need to know. Please like, share, and subscribe as I would try to create more fascinating content. Thanks and have a blessed day.